has launched the Camry hybrid facelift. The current 8th generation Camry was launched in India in 2019, and now Toyota has now brought a midlife update for the sedan, although a very subtle one. Updates on the Toyota Camry facelift include mild exterior cosmetic changes and an improved infotainment system, although there are no changes under the skin. This midlife update on the Camry was globally unveiled in late 2020. Cosmetic changes on the facelifted Camry are very subtle, as it might take more than a passing glance to tell the new one from the old. Up front, the Camry gets a sleeker grille that gets less chrome than its predecessor. The front bumper now features a larger, wider central air intake and also gets new chrome accents on the sides. There aren't any significant changes in profile, with the most notable difference being the new dual-tone, 18-inch alloy wheels. At the rear, the Camry gets new darkened inserts for the tail lamps to round out all the exterior updates. Inside, the changes are expected to be even more extensive, with the addition of a freestanding infotainment touchscreen that measures up to 9 inches across, up from the 8-inch display currently offered. The updated Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 Plus suite of driver assists, which now includes nighttime pedestrian and daytime cyclist detection and an improved adaptive cruise control, should also be on the cards. The Camry is available in a single fully loaded trim. As such, it comes equipped with features such as 3-zone climate control, a sunroof, 9-speaker JBL audio system, power reclining rear seats, powered sunshades for the rear passengers, powered and ventilated front seats with a memory function for the driver's seat, wireless charging pad, reverse camera, head-up display, 9 airbags, and a host of other safety systems that can be expected from a car in this class. Interestingly, the company mentioned that new power will surge within, hinting of a new powertrain underneath. The Camry was previously saddled with an outdated 2RFA 2.5-litre dual VVT-I 4-cylinder engine and 6-speed automatic transmission from the 7th gen model, instead of the newer dynamic force mill available in other markets. Thanks for watching, and give your comments below.